what's up? I'm Brooke, and this is the Evo Speedstar Junior from Puma Kids. These sneakers are awesome. I love the color combination. They look fantastic. And it has a minimalistic, abrasion-resistant, monolayer Microtex suede upper. It's gonna guarantee lightweight comfort every single time. There is a nicely padded collar around here that's gonna provide comfort as well, and perforations all around the heel cup. They're pretty amazing. There are reflective elements all over and a central lace enclosure with contrast eyelets that are gonna give optimal fit and lots of ball control options here at the toe of the foot as well. There's a compression molded EVA midsole that cushions and absorbs shock, an arch tech for mid support right here in the insole, and a non-marking EverTrack rubber outsole that gives you pivot points for traction. The Speedstar Junior has hot colors and they're pretty stinking amazing. They've even got a non-marking outsole. Pick it up, kids. Pick it up.